Hi everyone! Today we're checking out the VEVOR food processor, a mini electric chopper with 400 watts of power. This compact yet powerful device features 2 speed settings to handle various chopping and grinding tasks with ease. Made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for preparing baby food, meat, onions, and vegetables quickly. The 2.5 cup capacity is ideal for small batches, making it great for everyday kitchen use. Its electric meat grinder function efficiently blends ingredients to save you time and effort. Whether you need to chop, grind, or blend, this versatile food processor delivers consistent results. Get ready to simplify your meal prep with this handy kitchen tool. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.